Will you soon be involved in cross-cultural negotiations? Most likely, some of your colleagues will also be part of the same negotiation. My name is Giuseppe Conti and I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I want to share with you today 3 considerations that can help you to prepare for cross-cultural negotiations in teams. The first one is about the team size. How many people will be at the meeting? It will be a one-to-one meeting, a small team, or a large team. Consider also the habits in the country where you're going for the negotiation. If, for instance, you're dealing with a collectivistic culture, then you're likely to have a larger team rather than a small one. I suggest you to match the team size to the one that you will expect from the other party. I also want you to know that research indicates that teams achieve better results while struggling to build the trust with the other party. So if your aim is to build trust, you may want to have a few one-to-one meetings with your counterpart before you're going for a larger team type of negotiation. The second consideration is around team composition. Who should be at this meeting? I suggest you to bring one colleague from the country where you're going to have the visit as part of the team, because he can help to bridge the cultural gap. If needed, I suggest you also to bring your own translator, because you want to make sure that the translator is in your side and again can help you if there are cultural differences. The third consideration is around team alignment. When you're preparing for cross-cultural negotiation, make sure that you plan a substantial larger amount of time for team alignment and preparation. You want to maybe train them in basic negotiation skills. You want to identify upfront which are the information that cannot be shared, and you want to agree your own methodology to deal with team misalignments. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. We have also a webinar on cross-cultural negotiations. Thank you and goodbye.